Hello, COP!
I'm Brother Eric, a member of 3PM Asher sa East Campus and also a Go Group leader.
I'm Sister Irby, also a 3PM Asher sa East Campus and also a member of the Legal Advocates Group.
Nung college days namin, siya yung college sweetheart ko. Pero during that time, hindi pa siya saved.
It was very difficult at that time kasi Christian family siya. Dumating sa point na we have to end yung relationship kasi nga parang don't yoke yourself with the unbeliever. Ginamit niya sa akin yun.
And then, nag-work siya sa Manila and then ako naman nag-work ako sa Baguio.
So it's hard for me to accept Jesus as my Lord and Savior. Up until meron akong office mate na nag-invite sa akin na, uy, punta tayo sa Connect Group. Nag-a-attend ako on and off, parang wala lang for me. And sobrang grateful din ako dun sa Connect Group leader ko at that time. Ang dami kong silly questions, pero very patient siya in answering each of those without like imposing na dapat pumunta ka na sa church namin. Hindi ganon.
Nung nalaman ko na nag-a-attend si Mrs. ng, sa COP, and nagjo-join sa Go Group. Siyempre natuwa ako. Answered prayer yun para sa akin.
And then eventually in-invite niya ako dun sa yung concert ng 7 Time Down. Kahit na nag-accept na ako, it was a challenge for me yung teaching about tithing. Not until merong preaching si Brother John, tapos we made a vow na I will be a tither.
Kinasal kami sa Baguio, 2017.
We are able to find a 1-bedroom apartment. Pero ang naiisip niya nun, Lord, parang hindi ko nakikita tong place na to na dito lalaki yung anak ko. Hindi yung last semester ko sa law school. Tapos ang prayer ko nun kay Lord, parang ipasa mo lang, Lord, makagraduate lang ako, okay na ako. But then very faithful siya kasi nung nakita ko yung results, hindi lang pasa, pero I graduated with honors pa, yung Order of the Flaming Arrows. And then after that, I eventually passed yung exams the year after. And it opened opportunities nga for us kasi one of my clients offered me a job which is to help lead yung internal investigations nila for Asia. So yun yung nag-open sa amin financially. Nung nag-rent pa lang kami dun sa isang area sa Manila.
Meron yung times na naglalagay sila ng note dun sa sasakyan na bawal mag-park dito. Tapos laging may gas-gas yung sasakyan. Answered prayer sa amin yung 2-bedroom na unit na pinadedicate namin noong 2018.
Hindi lang yung unit, kasama yung parking.
First na business namin, which is yung Grab. Pero during pandemic, nalugi siya. Tinry namin magbenta ng
Korean products online. So nag-boom siya during the pandemic. And because of that, we were able to invest sa bagong sasakyan. So binenta namin yung isa, pero binalik din ni Lord. Mas malaki naman yung binigay niya sa amin. Noong 2023, meron akong challenges dun sa work ko. And then sabi ng company, i-freeze nila lahat ng promotions, salary increase, and lahat ng bonuses. Tapos dumating yung kay Brother John na Precious Weekend. First, participation sa vow. And then after namin binigay yun, ang bilis ng balik sa amin. So 2 weeks after, binigyan ako ng restricted stocks ng company. And then 2 weeks after again, binigyan ako ng cash retention bonus na significant for us. Ang galing, kasi parang weeks lang yung pagitan, tas eto na yung harvest mo. And then yung kay Brother Eric po, mas naging consistent yung design projects niya, one after the other. So this year po, nag-decide kami to participate dun sa Remain. And nakikita kasi namin lahat ng testimonies ng mga brothers and sisters din sa church. Parang nasayangan ako. Ang daming missed opportunities pala in the past na dapat nag-participate na kami. E di sana na-bless na kami noon pa. And then, ang bilis din ng balik sa amin. After we participated sa Remain natin this year, 2 weeks after, we saw this property. So it's a condo unit, just one building next to where we live right now. But then again, eventually, when I started preparing for documentation ng transfer, nag-withdraw yung owners, yung sellers, na parang okay, hindi na nila gustong ibenta yung property. So sabi ko, Lord, Bakit ganon? Yung wisdom ni Lord beyond our own understanding. Sabi ngayon ni BIR, uy, kailangan yung bayaran yung taxes kahit kinancel yung sale. So yun yung nag-push dun sa owner na sige na nga, ibibigay ko na sa inyo at this discount. Same din yun, 2 weeks after, naka-receive ako ng letter providing again another bonus. So in 5 days, we were able to find yung money and close the deal in 1 week's time. And with 5 million discount. So that's like 50% no value ng property. Kaya nga nagustuhan din namin yung preaching ni Brother John again about time compression. Parang we sow the seed and then the blessings will come. And it's an immediate answer sa atin. Regardless of you're still new in faith, like us, bago sa ministry, it doesn't matter for the Lord. If He wants to bless you, He will. Ayaw na naming mamiss tong opportunity na to. Kasi makikita mo yung God's house na bago and then you will say na, ay, part ako niyan. We wanted to participate in that para dun sa mga anak namin in the next generation din. We have realized na madami kaming nasayang na opportunities to participate in the past, and we've been thinking kung okay ba, kung totoo ba, it's true and it's real. So we do encourage our COP family. Now is the perfect timing. We are building the house of the Lord. So if we participate, we also expect God's goodness will be upon our lives.
If God did it for us, He will do it for you.